Tweezer people, welcome back to a brand new series of training video. New year, a new sparkling studio. I hope you will enjoy the contents and that you will find them useful. So let's jump right in. Today we're chatting about one of our classic hits, the Smart Tweezer. You might be familiar with them, but as the saying goes, they're old but gold. So what's the buzz about Ideal-tek Smart Tweezer? They are an LCR meter that drastically streamline the testing and troubleshooting process. The ST5S model exemplifies compact convenience, allowing for single-handed operation that automatically measure an electronic component's capacitance, resistance, inductance, and more. So whether you're dealing with loose components or onboard measurements, the Smart Tweezer excel, especially in tight spaces, thanks to their tweezer-like design. The tips, crafted by Ideal-tek, come in 3 interchangeable gold-plated options: standard, high precision, and bent. And if you're not a tech whiz, no sweat. Smart Tweezers are super user-friendly. They have an OLED display and a simple control joystick. Switch them on and they're all set to automatically detect and display the values for whatever components you're working with. And yes, it picks the most accurate component model and settings for you. Or if you're feeling adventurous, switch to manual mode to configure the test settings. Measuring inductance or capacitance, the display also shows the resistance value on the secondary display. While traditional LCR meter, can be a handful, Smart Tweezers are sleek and easy to use with just one hand, whether you are a righty or a lefty. They're not just ergonomic, they're lightweight, portable, and as accurate as the classic meters. But here's the kicker, they let you speed through your work with amazing efficiency. In the Smart Tweezer family, we got the ST LED for LED testing, the all-rounder ST5S and ST5S B2 model, which boast all the standard features plus Bluetooth connectivity for linking to mobile devices. This allowed you to view and log results through a dedicated app. So do you have an Ideal-tek Smart Tweezer in your toolkit? Because once you try them, you'll never want to be without them. Stay tuned for more exciting insights on clever tools that will make your day-to-day task a breeze. Catch you in the next video.